Welcome back to Dad Deals. We are halfway through August, almost to the end of the summer. The parking lot sale is behind us. So you know what that means. It's time for more things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in August 2024. A bunch of new coupons just dropped, so it's perfect timing. As always, please give the video a like if you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the deals. First up is this large 21-gallon air compressor. This has 175 max PSI rating, has some really nice pneumatic wheels, and this is $50 off at $230. Keep in mind that this is not the ultra quiet version that Harbor Freight sells now. You see a lot of other places, but if you don't mind that noise, this is a nice deal. The jack stands that are on sale right now are the larger 6-ton heavy-duty ones from Daytona. These are available in 6 colors and are 25% off at $60. As far as the jacks go, here is the 3-ton long-reach, low-profile professional jack with rapid pump. These are available in 4 colors, and they're $40 off right now at $200. And then you also have the larger 4-ton floor jack with rapid pump on sale for $50 off. This is not low profile, so keep that in mind. These are available in 4 colors. They're $50 off at $190. And then one more of the Daytona jacks on sale. Here's the little 2-ton professional racing series jack for $190. One of the most popular automotive items over at Harbor Freight, and a great buy, great thing to pick up, are these automotive plastic fasteners. These are these little fittings that you'll find all over your car, and when one breaks, it is a bad day, so always have these available to replace one. These are 36% off for a 240-piece kit that has all the ones that you'll encounter, and this is just $11.50. Before we get to more deals, I want to thank today's sponsor, and that is BetterHelp. With the upcoming holiday season quickly approaching, now is a great time to do a mental health check for yourself and get ahead of the stress. For a lot of us guys, the thought of scheduling and taking time off to go see a therapist is enough to put it off completely, but that's where BetterHelp comes in. They make it really easy to connect to a therapist wherever you are, whether that's through a text message, video chat, or phone call. All you have to do is go to their site, answer a few questions, and BetterHelp will match you to a professional who has years of experience helping people through whatever you're dealing with, big or small. It really is that easy to fit therapy into your life. I know for me personally, there's been Christmas seasons where trying to juggle work, family, finances, and all the events and commitments that go with it has led to stress and anxiety, which can then lead to loss of sleep, headaches, and a host of other issues. So go ahead and get ahead of it now and be in a good mindset to really enjoy that time this year. So let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist who can support you, all from the comfort of your home. Just visit betterhelp.com/daddeals. I'll have the link down in the description and right here, or choose the code DADDEALS during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And thanks again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video, and now on to more deals. A no-brainer item here is the 4-piece funnel set for just 98 cents. If you have any 4-wheel drive adventures planned for this coming fall, Harbor Freight has a couple of their Badlands products on sale. Here is the 12,000-pound winch hitch mount. This one's $65, 13% off. It's also a great idea to carry a shovel with you, especially if you're going to be driving on the beach. Here is a foldable utility shovel that's just $10 and can get you out of a bind. And then under the Hallmaster brand, here is a great adjustable hitch that has a 4-slot riser for just $110. On to some hand tools here from Pittsburgh. Is this wrench set. It's a 4-piece set for just $15. If you'll be changing out any spark plugs, you can get the Quinn spark plug socket set. It's a 14-piece set for $65. Just a 7% off coupon, so not much there, but if you're going to buy it anyway, this is a great set. Icon tools have made quite the splash recently, being compared up to Snap-on and winning in some cases in some tests. Here we have the 1/2-inch drive professional long reach flex head ratchet. Comes with the nice comfort grip for $50, 23% off. So not quite as good a deal as the 40% off during the parking lot sale. I hope everyone had a chance to get some of these ratchets. But if you missed out, this is still not a bad deal. You also have the 1/2-inch drive long reach flex head ratchet, just 15% off though at $55. And then their open end wrench sets, 7-piece sets for $55. So just much better prices than you'll ever find over at Snap-on for actually comparable quality. And you're still getting that lifetime warranty as well. Also from Icon, they have their 3/8-inch drive deep socket set, 12-piece set for $40. And then the professional mini screwdriver set is just $12. A great deal on just a basic extension cord. Here is a 25-foot cord, medium duty use, 14 gauge, but it's just $10, 28% off. These Gordon multi-purpose scissors might not be the best in the world, but they're just 69 cents. You really just can't go wrong with that. That is about half the price as what you'll find over at the dollar store. So check out these. They are definitely worth it at that price. Another nice item here is just a 4-outlet power strip for just $3. You can really never have too many of these things. You can pick up a nice 7-foot roll of protective wiring wrap for just $2. That's almost half off the normal price. And then also a pack of their heat shrink tubing for just 99 cents. Here is a do not ever buy their packaging tape under this Stick Tech brand. It's some of the worst packaging tape I've ever had. So I know it's tempting here at just under $5, but it is just super thin and really not great packing tape. These Bauer sawhorses are really awesome. They're really well made. They fold up nice so they don't take up any space in your shop or garage. I would like to see a bigger discount here than just 8% off, but anything counts, and this is $55 this month. They even have some slots to add some 2x4s, so you can really just make a nice workbench wherever you are. The fall time will be here before we know it, and it's going to be cool season grass seed time, so it's time to get that lawn leveled, put some top dressing soil on it, and these steel utility carts can make that job much easier. This one has a 1,200 pound capacity, has removable sides to it, and it's $35 off at $140. You also have a nice 4-gallon backpack sprayer from Niagara for $40. This is great for maybe killing off some of those weeds before you start seeding or putting down any fertilizers or pre-emergent weed control, anything like that. If you have a larger yard, these 4-gallon backpack sprayers are a must. A few of these Bauer tools are on sale, but here's the largest discount one. At 25% off, you can get the Bauer variable speed hammer drill for just $30. Also a nice price here on the popular Hercules 10-inch compact job site table saw. This does not come with the stand, so that would be separate, but this one is $320 at $60 off. Bauer sanding belts are just $5 this month, and the Bauer metal grinding wheels are just $1.50. A really nice price here on some router bits. Here's a 4-piece set, a roundover bit set for just $15, 25% off the normal price. I would usually steer clear of any measuring device over at Harbor Freight, but they've really improved things, especially on this Doyle brand. Here's a 7-inch professional rafter square for just $8. Here's a biker style roller seat for your garage. It's just $90, $20 off the normal price. If you need to work underneath your car, here's the Icon 400 pound capacity professional creeper at $110. There are a lot of cheaper options when it comes to creepers over at Harbor Freight, but if you really just want that top tier, most comfortable one, this is going to be it. The medium Apache protective case is a little bit better deal than it was at the parking lot sale. They were 30% off during that sale. They are 33% off right now at just $20. These are available in 3 colors. I love these things. I use them mainly for my photography, my GoPro, my drone, that kind of stuff. They have the peel away phone that makes customizing these so easy, and this is a great price for this case. A cheap tool bag here, just a 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets for $6. Not a bad deal. You can step it up with the 18-inch from Hercules tool bag with 28 pockets for $20. And then they also have these Voyager 12-inch toolboxes, kind of look like a little tackle box for $5. If you need to repair anything that's plastic, these things actually work surprisingly well. Here's a plastic welding kit for just $15. The 8-inch professional bench grinder from Hercules is $170. A lot of companies make these. They all look kind of exactly the same, but here's the Hercules version on sale for $30 off. An awesome deal here. Stock up on these. Here are your 1-inch steel clamps. These are really great for keeping tablecloths on a picnic table if you're going to have any outdoor events. They're just 99 cents each, so for $4, you can really secure down a tablecloth. So these are also great to keep in your truck and just have a ton of uses and will last forever. I love these US General magnetic hooks. They have a 25-pound capacity and they really do hold that much weight. They're available in a bunch of colors to match whatever layout you got going on in your garage or shop. These are just $5 right now, 28% off the normal price, so a little bit above that 25% off they were not too long ago. And just a great deal if you haven't got a bunch of these. These really are great. The Pittsburgh Pro 3/8-inch drive high visibility deep sockets 10-piece sets are just $10 right now. These have the really nice clear markings. Your 2-way hose splitters are just $5. So if you need to run any sprinklers this fall, these are really great. One of my favorite items that I recently picked up at Harbor Freight is this huge extra large. It is really super large microfiber drying towel. These are great for after a car wash. You just can throw it on your car, drag it across, and it can dry your car really fast. But this is just $6 right now, 40% off the normal price. I also love these Niagara professional spray bottles. They come in a 2-pack for just $5 right now. These are really great if you're going to be applying any pesticides or herbicides and you have a little bit extra. You can pour them into one of these bottles and have it ready to go whenever you need it. You You can pick up a nice Gordon utility blades with a dispenser 50 pack for just $5. This is great to hang on a pegboard. You'll have some utility blades whenever you need them. They just pop right out and they keep protected in this case. This 25-foot coil air hose from Merlin is just $13. These can help give you that reach to fill up some tires, things like that, but also keep your shop nice and tidy and wind up automatically. And then last up is this Pittsburgh 24-inch level for just $5. That is 28% off the normal price. And I feel like you always misplace levels, so it's nice to have a few. And that's it. Those are all the deals for the rest of this month, August 2024. Again, thanks to my sponsor for this video, BetterHelp. Definitely check the description below for their link. Thanks for watching. As always, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.